I used to wake up in the middle of the night worrying, when can I retire? How much do I need to retire? When can I achieve financial freedom to enjoy the life that I really wanted? I'm glad to share with you today that I have achieved it. I achieved my financial goals, be able to achieve financial freedom potentially in the next few years. I'm now able to hold the hands of my loved ones confidently, and I have a peace of mind knowing that the future is well secured. And I'm able to do that because of my 3 simple steps that I've tested and proven. So I will be able to enjoy the lifestyle that I never thought I can be able to enjoy today. It's a form of me paying back forward. So I would like to extend this gift to you, to share my secrets, to share these 3 simple steps with you. If you could, share your email address with me now, and I'll see you on the other side.